Hey, David R. Becker with BeckerArt, and today I want to talk to you about making envelopes for your paintings. Yes, I'm talking about this kind of insulation. It's some foil insulation that you can get at a hardware store, and I use it because I found a roll one time when I was at a plein air event, and I found it inside the ditch. And I never know what to use it for until I saw somebody who made these envelopes to protect your paintings. And so basically, it's insulation that you can get like at Home Depot. I have a link below in the thing on Amazon, and it's kind of inexpensive if you think about how much you get for these paintings. And so it usually comes in a roll that's like 2 feet, like this kind of roll. It comes in a roll, and actually, this is about half the roll I found, and I've used about half of it, and it's just amazing how many these envelopes I made so far. It comes in a big roll and it's 2 feet wide, and I'm not sure how long, maybe 10 feet. I think the ones you buy are 10 yards, 10 yards long, and so you can make it as long as you want, but you can only have it 2 feet. So if it's 24 inches, if your painting is bigger than 24 inches, they do sell it. I saw online also. They do sell it bigger than the roll, and actually like in sheets. And so you can buy it by the sheet or by the roll. And you also have to buy yourself, and I'll put this in also into the thing, is you have to buy aluminum tape. Aluminum tape, people use this for, I think furnace people use it for their ductworking and stuff. And you can find that also at the thing, look for aluminum tape. And this stuff is really, really sticky, let me tell you by the chance. So, and a pair of scissors to cut the tape. That's it. That's all you need. And to cut an insulation off the roll. And so basically I did this one already, but I didn't, as you can see, I have it, it's white on the inside and shiny on the outside. I keep the shiny part on the outside only because I think it looks cool. And so what you want to do is I take this and, I cut a piece of the aluminum tape, and see, this is aluminum tape. And then, like I said, it's very sticky, so I go to the edge. I kind of measure it like this, and then I just cut the tape. Cut the tape with a scissor. Boom. I see how easy that is. The tape is great. Um, and I must say, the tape is so sticky, so you have to really watch it. And sometimes it's hard to get the tape started, like to get away from the backing, because there's a backing on it. See, there's a backing. I'm just going to take that backing off. And so see, it's shiny. So what I like to do is I like to start it, and don't pull it all the way off. Don't pull this white thing all the way off right away. First, bend it back like this, and then take it to the edge. And I like to start at the part that's not open, this part, and just so I can put it down at the end here. And I try to do half of the way. Now, once you start sticking it down, it sticks really well. So you have to make sure that you put it down, and then I pull. See, I pull the white part. This is the backing. And I just pull that along here, and it's metal. It's aluminum, and so it's the tape. See how it just kind of goes off and just comes off there. Oops, I didn't want to take it to the towel here. And so I'm just going to tape that. See, I'm just pulling it away, and it just lays itself down. And it looks like I cut it too short. No, I cut it a little bit too short. I must have not cut it right now. Oh, that's okay. I can always put a little piece on there. So I turn it over, and now again, this is the sticky side. So what I do is I just lift it up, and it acts like, a piece of metal, thin, like aluminum foil. It acts like aluminum foil. That's what it is. And then you just pull it over, and it's pretty thick aluminum foil if it is this tape. And so see, I'm just going to put it like that, press it down, and boom, now see, it's closed, and you have an envelope for your painting. And make sure the size, you can measure the size with a nice yardstick or tape measure. And I found that these work really great. Now I used to I had one of those heat guns that you can like you do for putting your paintings in a what do you call it, in a plastic wrap. And but I found that this is better, and it's kind of nice because it really glues or tapes on really well. I mean, like I said, this stuff is really good. And you just put in your painting in there, and it protects it because it's bubbled, like a bubble wrap, and it's really, really. I find this to be great for my paintings. Now, I haven't done this for any of my big paintings, but I just looked on Amazon and a couple other places in Home Depot that they do sell sheets of it, like a little bit and folded, and so of this stuff. So, and you got buy this tape, aluminum tape, buy this foil, on either in a roll or a sheet, and make yourself some great envelopes for your paintings. It's a great way to protect your paintings because it's so tough to keep those corners on, and I like this better than the corners and wrapping it with plastic wrap or even bubble wrap if people do it. This is bubble wrap, but it's tough, and it's like insulation, and so just my idea. It's not my idea, but I had seen somebody had done this with this kind of thing, and so I didn't know how I was going to put it together, but until I found this aluminum tape. But the aluminum tape is great and makes some great envelopes. All right, there's my tip of the day. Get yourself some aluminum foil, get yourself some aluminum tape, and make yourself some envelopes for your beautiful paintings that you want to protect. And then I always also have boxes that I put these in, then I store them into the boxes. And all right. So, but protect all your paintings because I know it's really expensive to get them framed, and so protect them and make yourself these very inexpensive envelopes. All right. Until Thursday, I will see you then. Bye bye.